Guys, it seemed like it had a rain. You see, today Chrissy called me and she said, like sometimes I don't know, like. Anyways, I buy her a flowers. I've been doing this quite some time now. First time actually documenting it because I mean, I guess I don't know, but yeah, she's stressed out, guys. That's it, and I can just only feel like how I feel right now because God he knows me want things to be better. God he knows me I try to just get everything right, but it's just a step on the process, you know. So anyways, I get her another flowers and I'm just trying to, you know, any single way I can show remorse or sorry or whatever I can do, I'm do it, you see. But we're rough, you know. Johnny, I need to want this be the topic. So I just wanted to let y'all know, give you an update, you know, because I know I see a lot of people, you know, comment happiness and positivity, and I like that. That cheer me up, to be honest. Y'all lift my spirit up, to be honest. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all lift my spirit up, and you know, but I don't. It's still rough though. You see it. It's still rough. Most time when the camera department, I realize I try to be as cool as I can be and everything, but it take a toll, and I just want my lady know say, yo, I'm sorry. You understand me? I just want to get her back on track. I want to get her back to the Chrissy way, you know? I mean, no. You see me? Anyways, let's skip to the next scene now. She gone in this one. Alright, bye. So guys, I bought my wife some roses. So she don't know yet, so when she come out, she'll see it. Cause the last set she had was some time and she had it over here. So, and it's so funny, guys, where let me talk to you guys in front of you. Let me put this on the tripod. Wait. Alright guys, today I'm gonna be taking care of the kids. Leave my microphone. Today I'm gonna be taking care of the kids. Yeah. She don't wanna go, yeah? Yeah. Say hi to them. Say hi guys. Hi. Hi. Tell them say bye bye. Bye bye. Well yeah guys, today I'll be taking care of the kids, I guess.